Hello, welcome back to BJ's Affiliates. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer your royalty earnings to your daily wallet. So this is how you can transfer your royalty earnings, which is your music streaming earnings, down to your daily withdrawal wallet. I know that some of you may be wondering or may get confused on how I get to this particular place right now. So I'm going to show you how I get to this particular place that I am now. Let me just go back. So if you are on your dashboard like this, all you have to do is to head over and click on this three dash icon right here, locating at the top of your left hand side. So once you tap on the three dash icon, this menu is going to come up like this. Now head over to the bottom and click on daily withdrawal. So just click on daily withdrawal, and after clicking on daily withdrawal, this is what you are going to see, or this is what you are expected to see. But let me clarify you this, in case I know that some of you are seeing this, in case when you get to that place you are seeing this instead of this. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of this particular place or this particular dashboard to get this one, because this is what you are expected to be seeing, not this particular one. So if this is what you are seeing, don't worry, let me show you how to get rid of it. So what you have to do is to go to your browser. For example, now if you are using a Chrome browser, so this is what you will have to do. You can just head over to your browser like this, click on this three dot icon. So after clicking on the three dot icon, now head over and click on delete delete browsing data. So you click on it. After clicking on it, this is what you have to do now. At this particular place, you are going to see a drop down arrow. Click on this drop down arrow, then you can possibly select 7 days, last 7 days. So you can click on the last 7 days. Now you can head over and click on delete data. So once you click on delete data, it's going to clear your browser. So now you can go back to your Chrome browser again and then log in. So when you get to your Chrome browser, now log into the Nuvia platform. Okay, let me just log in, just the normal way you usually log into your account. Then you just have to log into your account again. So after you might have signed in to your account, so this is what you have to do. You go back to that place again. Then if you look at this particular place, if you look at here, you see that I'm having 11,556 naira on my royalty earnings. Meanwhile, my daily withdrawal is 0, meaning that I have nothing on that particular place. So the purpose of this video is to move this money right here down to this particular place. So this is what you have to do. You don't need to bother on selecting anything here, because if you check it right here, you will see that this one is already set at royalty wallet, and this one is also set at a daily withdrawal wallet. So this has been set already. All you just have to do is to click on transfer. Just proceed and click on transfer. You see, once you click on transfer, you are going to see this message right here. You see, confirm that you want to transfer all your royalty earnings to your daily withdrawal wallet. This action cannot be undone. Do you want to continue? So you just have to head over and click on proceed. So after clicking on proceed, you can now see that my earnings has been transferred successfully. As you can see right here, transfer completed successfully. Now let's go back and check. Just click on close. After clicking on close, you can now see that I'm now having 11,500 naira on my daily withdrawal wallet, and all the money that I had on my royalty earnings has been transferred to the daily wallet. That is why my royalty earnings is now showing 0 naira. So this is how you can successfully transfer your royalty earnings to your daily wallet. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, drop your comment on the comment section, share this video to your friends, and the most important thing, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this.